Hi guys, how are we doing? We are on another little maintenance mission today. I have removed my skylight roof. My plastic cover that goes over the hatch at the top. I wanted to clean it, give it a really good clean. It's sort of got that little double skinned edge, you know, and when you look up occasionally it looks like it needs a clean, and it's one of them jobs. I've got time on my hands, haven't I? So basically it's 4 little tiny plastic locating pins, and it's easily removable. So I'm going to show you in a minute where these pins go and what I'm actually doing to the hatch, just for the record. And I've also got another little tip that a lot of people when they're opening the hatches might not even know about. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I've been obviously up on the roof where these pins locate, and I've started having a clean up, and then I thought, well, I need to possibly do the video on this, so I'm just using a bit of this Motorhome cleaner stuff from Autogleam, and I'm just cleaning up these little tiny pins that actually locate. There's so much like green pollen stuff off trees and stuff, so I'm just giving them a really good clean. And up on the roof it was just so green around the top of the hatch, so it's the only way to really access it is you know, I've actually got up on the roof before and cleaned my roof, and without, you can sort of get your hand in round, it's a bit awkward. So just thought, right, I'll just get these pins out, let's get the job done, and it's pretty simple, to be honest. Let's go up and have a look. Yeah, so these, before I go up, I'm just going to show you these little pins. So these are like little plastic pins, and they're split. So all you have to do is squeeze them in to remove them. So I've got my little Gerber pair of pliers there, nothing too hectic, and just squeeze the end in and remove it. But basically put them back in, they just push in like an arrow. Yeah, so that's where the actual pin goes through. So obviously your hatch sits in between there, and then you just put your pin through. And to locate it, this is where I've been cleaning out all the green, cleaning it all around with that Motorhome cleaner. Get as much as I can out while I'm up here doing the job. But yeah, fairly simple. On the inside of this hatch, I'm just using a bit of this glass cleaner, fast glass, just to get it all cleaned off on the inside around this edge that I'm talking about that you can't get to very well. We'll spray that up and do that. That's the way to do it, get it all nice and clean. Prior doing the little video, actually, I've already had a little wipe round, so this is the second time around for me. But I've got a bandage on my hand and time on my hands, so but anyway, I'm feeling a lot better. I did damage my hand, if you didn't know, but I'm off to get my bandage removed tomorrow and the stitches out. They're saying you're cleaning your roof hatches with stitches in your hand. Yeah, I am actually, but it's feeling a lot better. It's not painful at all. Right, that's that side. That is lovely. That is just amazing. That is it's just so nice to look up through and see the blue sky. Right, that's that one. Right, let's just whip that over like that. And what I'm going to do on the other side is I'm going to put some super resin polish on that, because I like to see that water just beading off. So we're going to go for a bit of, let's go for a bit of the old Autogleam super resin. Like I say, you can clean your hatches in position, but basically for what it takes, a couple of little pins. And if you ever do need to change one on the road, you see them on the side of the motorway, where a roof hatch off a caravan or something, motorhome, it's always handy to know how to go about changing it. And also if you've got them pins where you've you know how to remove them and they've been removed, and it's free to remove them. Loads of traffic here. what's going on today. Lots of agricultural tractors. Now that is getting up to speed. That's looking nice. And you know me, let's give it another one while we're here. This little breeze is just drawing it through lovely. Look at that, it's just absolutely buffing away. Just flipping, turning that cloth, keeping it nice. There we go. That is looking like a brand new hatch. Absolutely perfect. Ready for the reinstallation. So there's the little profile we just got to line up. So we're just going to get that in position like that. I'm just going to use my pliers just to access the first pin. There goes the first pin. There she goes. Just ease it along. There we go, he's snapped in. That's perfect. Just to do the other side now. There she goes. Just ease her along. Snap in position. Lovely. There we go, on the hinge. Stunning. Look at that. Nice and clean. All nice and free. That's perfect. Happy with that. Okay, next step. So the next bit is the little handle. So all you need to do is slot it back in the little profiles like that, and then all you need to do is I'm going to drop it back, bring it up into position with your little slots there, like that, and then I'll just grab the pin. Again, these little tiny pins are just going to go through a little bit of jiggery around and locate into the position, holding the other one between my teeth, and same again there she goes, in she goes, snaps in, and there it is, all back in, and that looks absolutely amazing. Look at that sky out through there, that's lovely. Right, my little tip that I'm going to show you guys is, I don't know if anybody has come across this, but this is a little lock device. So if you want to lock your overnight, if you want to lock your if you want to have your roof hatch up, and if it's a bit windy, lock it in position. There's a little lever just there, both sides, just lock them down like that in position, and that won't go anywhere. It's not going to go anywhere in the wind. So there's a little little locking device, and if you just push them up, there's little tiny catch, so they stay up there out of the way, and then you can off you go again as per normal. Lock her down. Okay, 2 more to go. I'm busy. So there's the back one, guys, done and dusted. I thought I'd put my timer on. I'll tag in a picture of how long it took me. So just the front one to go, because I've done the middle. 1 to go. Yeah, so I'm just wazzing around with a bit of this auto clean fast glass. I totally recommend this stuff. I don't get promoted by these people or nothing, but I must admit, this stuff here, I know there's various glass. I can see through it, that angle now. So it's blue like a liquid, and but it seems really good. I've just been around the outside of my vehicle doing the windows, so I've just come on the inside because the lounge window looked a bit grubby on the inside. So I thought, right, I'm just going to come in, and this is just so bloody easy, isn't it? So bloody easy. Let's just give it another. See my hands improving now, look. So get this bloody dressing off tomorrow. But there we go, look. Oh. I'm just thinking, when I'm cleaning these windows, of the views we've had through these windows, it's just mind-blowing, absolutely mind-blowing, and that's what inspires me to keep it clean, ready for the next time. So I gotta, where I've been on the outside is getting a little bit damp, that one, so I just get this nice dry one now just to finish off. But how easy is that? A couple of minutes. God, my back. It's all them little jobs that I'm not normally got a lot of time to do. I'm always whether I'm out there doing the thing or I'm normally working, so I don't get this opportunity to give it that real deep very often. But to be honest, the amount of time it's taken me this afternoon, it's definitely worth a quick 5 minute now and again just to keep on top of it. I'm now going to do the inside of my windscreen, because that's another one. I start driving it and then it's like, why didn't I clean the inside of my windscreen? So I'm pretty busy here, guys. You know the score. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Maybe inspired you to clean your roof hatches without getting up on top of the roof. Little tiny step. I've had a little pair of steps for the front one and the middle one. The back one, and this, obviously this model, you can get up on that section between the beds. Other Burstner models, other motorhomes, if you've got a rear lounge, use the steps. But and obviously the hatch does come down on an angle through the roof, so it makes it quite easy to do it. Take it down, and when you're up on the top, you don't seem to get a better. I've done it before on the roof, and easiest way: drop them roof hatches off, clean them off. You see how long it takes you to do it. Literally, yeah, minutes. And it's the job done. And I'm just looking up now. Let's spin that camera around, and just looking how bright it is through them sky hatches now. And I know when it rains on there, it's going to get beaded off with that auto gleam super resin wax on the top. So don't need that on the inside, but on the outside it's just going to bead off. Incredible. So guys, I'm in my motorhome lounge. I'm going to get back and try and get a bit of work done soon, and then look forward to our next trip. I'm getting some thoughts in my head. So I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. You know the score. If you've enjoyed the video, it's inspired you, give us a thumbs up, give us a sub, give us a comment. What do you use to clean your windows? Hit us up. Thanks for watching. I'm off. Bye.